In this place, we don't just barb hair, we take care of hair with premium treatment and a touch of class. The likes of August Abunus have come here to barb their hair, and other top celebrities are coming here to barb their hair. We have the best barbers in Delta State working for us. So we brought you here as a content creator to do this simple advert for us. Tell your fans, tell your people the services we render here and where we are located using your unique style. So quickly, let's see what you can do.
Hello guys, so this is a barbing salon 2022 model, and they have here a chair going for 250 million naira. It's plenty, and you will never be poor. Follow me.
You never be poor. What? Is that what I called here to do? Eh?
Is the advert now?
We said use your unique character. We want you. This character you display is all of Lagos. Give us your own unique character. I mean, don't you have anything unique about you? It's you we want, so give us your unique character, please.
Oh, but come on. You are doing well.
What's going on here?
Are you there? Hey! Put your account number here.
You want to give me back the money I gave you for advert? Are you normal? We called you for an advert. Give us a unique character. First of all, you gave me a lot of Lagos. Now you're giving me macaroni. What is wrong with you? Don't you have anything unique about yourself? We know you, that's why we called you for this advert. I don't like all this. You're stressing me. Do this job. Let's leave here, please.
Bros, agree to.
What?
Agree to bros. Every touch that guy. Agree to boss. Every touch man, you made the every touch that coach. I agree to coach.
Hey, is this what I called you here for? Is this what I called you here for? To greet everybody? What's wrong with you?
You never reach like that now.
You doing what?
No, my guy, Pablo. Now say my con do advert for normal KBS.
What's KBS?
Normal Clevis Barbing Salon now.
Okay, this is not what I called you here for. I called you to do advert for Clevis Barbing Salon. You're here greeting everybody and doing nonsense. What is wrong with you now? Why are you stressing me?
I go move. Oh.
You move my money?
I go meow.
Look at my face.
I go move.